Hi, Catherine here. I'm going to show you how to schedule a live broadcast on either your Facebook business page, your Facebook personal timeline, or on a Facebook group that you are an admin of. You can use BeLive TV is what we're using to do that, and it's also really great to use BeLive because it allows you to do split screen interviews. So if you go first here on the left, you can say that you would set a destination to go live, and here you have the option to add a guest. If I was here, I click add guest. This is the URL, the link that I would copy and send to the person who I want to join me in an interview. If I'm interviewing Heather with Keep It Simple, I would send her that link, and then on the day of her live broadcast, she would just click and be able to join me in that meeting. You want to make sure they have a BeLive account and that they open in a Google Chrome browser. Now, if I want to schedule or go live here on destination, I can click YouTube or Facebook. I have another video tutorial that covers YouTube, but in this case, I'm going to choose Facebook. If I say I want to go live on my own timeline or on a page I'm an admin of, or in a group I'm an admin of. So in this case, for example, I'll say on a group, and I'm going to schedule this post to be, say, tomorrow at 9 a.m. And I'm going to add an image because this is going to show like a Facebook post. So I'm going to say, okay, my image is going to be this, for example. And this is the post description. In this case, I'll just put testing. And I'm going to save this scheduled recording, save this live. So what's going to happen, hopefully, I'll be able to go on my Facebook group and we'll have a look at it, and we should see that it's a scheduled post. So let's save this. So it says my broadcast will start live tomorrow. Okay, so I want to make sure I'm there tomorrow, so make sure you have a reminder. And I'm going to refresh the group. I allowed the app to connect to my group. That was another step that they asked me to do, so I made sure to do that. And we should see this, that the live broadcast is scheduled. So it might take a little bit before we see it. There it is. So see, it says tomorrow at 9 a.m. tune in to watch live, and then you can click to get a reminder. So this is how you schedule either yourself a live interview on Facebook, or if you have sent the link to somebody, you can schedule a split screen interview. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next episode.